Fix all Windows Update error problem in Windows 11. So if you are facing this problem, the first and foremost step that you can do is tap on the search icon right here, and in the search bar search for File Explorer. From here, go ahead and tap on this PC option and select Local Disk C. From here, go ahead and select the option of Windows. Scroll down until you find the option of Software Distribution. Double tap on Software Distribution. Now right here you have to delete all of this file that is right here. So go ahead and tap on this file and delete it. Moving on to the next step, tap on the start icon and in the search bar search for Troubleshoot Settings. Select Other Troubleshooters. Now from here, next to Windows Update, tap on this Run option, and this might take a while because it will detect any problem here. On to the next step, what you have to do next is you have to go to your Start icon first and foremost, and in the search bar you have to search for CMD. Now in here you have to write the code SFC\scan now. So go ahead and do that. As you can see, I'm doing with you as well. And once you write this code, make sure you hit the enter button, and this will take a while as well. And if there is any problem, it will notify you. So make sure after the process is complete, you restart your PC first. So here is the final step that you can do. In the search bar, search for the option of services here. So go ahead and type in services. Select any option from here and then tap on the alphabet W in your keyboard so that it will take you to the W list, because we have to go ahead and find the option of Windows Update. So go ahead and do that. Here, double tap on Windows Update and something like this should pop up. Now it is starting, as you can see, but you can restart it. To restart, first and foremost, make sure that the startup type is set to automatic. So make sure you do that first. Then go ahead and tap on OK. Now right click on your touchpad and tap on Restart and wait, it is restarted. From here, go ahead and you have to search for the option of Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Go ahead and check for properties, or you can directly restart it as well. So make sure that you hit the automatic option before you restart it here as well. And simply like that, after all of this step, go ahead and restart your PC and your problem will be solved. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching.